Greetings, folks. William K. Rogers back at you with another video representing OneBuckSystem.info. And today I just wanted to show you the Benefit Savings Hub. In our last video, we went over just some of the savings that you could get with this great club that I've recently joined and become a member of, because it lets me save on all kinds of retail items. It's like having an employee discount at like hundreds of places without actually being an employee there. That's the best way to describe it here. And this is the main page you get to at the Benefit Hub. You'll see just some of the amazing savings here at our portal. We just had one of our members was talking about how much he saved, like over $2 grand a year on auto insurance. Many people are saving on auto insurance. You see over to the far left, a brief menu. Even home buying and selling, stuff for your pets. Of course, tickets and travel. We've always been the top leader in that. Business and office things, beauty and fragrance. Let's go ahead and go over to the discount and rewards page and let you have a look at that. And here we are at the discounts and rewards page. You can see savings on all the consumer items you can think of. Great Father's Day deals that just came up. Of course, cinema, movie tickets, electronics, even food. Yes, you can get your grub on at significant, up to 75% discounts. Let's take a look and see here what we got under auto. That's pretty interesting. A lot of people don't realize some of the great savings we have. Even in that industry, you're going to really trip out on this one here. As I said, there's the auto insurance, but there's even car and truck rental. Yes, you can rent, buy car, motorcycle insurance, outdoor recreational vehicles. We got RV rentals and sales. You're going to get discounts on RV sales. Service and parts, different car parts that you're going to need. Service your car, keeping it up to date, all those things. Transportation and parking, even car buying. Yes, even buying cars. Let's take a look at that section here. One moment while that loads up. And here we are on the car buying section, the auto section. And as you can see, employees auto buying. So like I said, it's like you're an employee. You're getting the employee discounts without actually being an employee. That's what's so awesome about this membership. See some of the top brands, yes, BMW, Honda. There are many, many more, folks. Many, many more. Many, many more. Just waiting for it to load up here. I got quite a few things going on while I'm recording this. So you can find a new car, or you can find a used car. Then you can wrap matter. You put in the zip code, closest to you. Look at all these selections: Acura, Audi, yes, even Bentley, Cadillac, Chryslers, Hyundai, Jaguars, Lexus, Nissan. I mean, wow. Volkswagen, Volvo, any one of these brands, and you get significant discounts, folks. Significant discounts. I mean, saving up to $1,200 on some cases. Let's go to the BMW, view the deals there. Let's see what kind of deals we have for BMW. Up to $3,000 on a new BMW, folks. Up to $3,000 on a new BMW. Look at that. SUV type too. The electric one too. I mean, the savings and the discounts and the deals go on and on here. And of course, you'll see, what else can we take a look at? How about electronics? What do we got on electronics here? Go to the electronics. 1 second. And here we are, up to 53% off. Lenovo pad at the top. Garmin, T-Mobile. Goes on and on, folks. There's so many savings you have here. What about here where it says tickets here? What can we get on the tickets? Different concerts, comedy, ski tickets, sporting events, theme parks. What concerts? Maybe you want to go check out your favorite group. Take a look, folks. Just take a look. Cargo tickets and concerts, up to 45% off. Blue Man Group, 20% off. And it's just on availability whenever there's something available, you know. You put into the area that's closest to you. Up to 35% off. Savings go on and on. If you want to go ahead and take a look and start taking benefit of the savings, of course, you can easily just go to save.onebucksystem.info. You'll see this is the Savings Club main page here. Savings back at thousands of online retailers, and that's not an exaggeration. It's literally thousands in that benefit hub there. Save up to 75% off on over 1 million hotel rooms and condos. As we've already seen, you save on cars, insurance, online shopping, and even if you wanted to, and it's only, this is a club, to get all these savings, only 20 bucks a month, folks. That's it. That's it. So you tell me, is all of this, saving on all of this, on over 1 million hotel rooms and condos, cash back and savings on thousands of online retailers, you tell me, is that worth only 20 a month? Tell me, just for yourself. Come on in and try it out. Just try it out. And of course, there's also an opportunity here. If you wanted to make money with the club, you could easily join that aspect of the business. You could join that at join.onebucksystem.com. Of course, now we're at save.onebucksystem.com. Right now, there's a special. You'll get $100 whenever you join Platinum, or you'll get $20 up front if you join at the gold level. The gold one is the one that's $20 a month, and you'll get instant access to all the savings. Just to let you know, we're not selling travel. We're not a travel agency. You have to understand that we don't participate in what is known as rate parity. That's a practice that forces the public booking companies, the public booking travel sites, to keep all of their prices up along the same line. That's why when you go to a lot of these different travel booking sites, you'll notice there's not that big of a difference in what you see. But because we are a private club, our pricing and our discounting is almost wholesale. It's very, very, very discounted. Like I said, it's like you're an employee getting the absolute biggest discount you can get without actually being an employee. And you'll see daily savings and cash back on all these, as we just seen from the benefit portal that I showed you. All of these different areas that you can save on. Only 20 bucks a month, folks. Only 20 bucks a month. And once again, you can reach this page at save.onebucksystem.info. And you can easily join. At the top, there's a join now here. Or you can simply go to join.onebucksystem.info. And if you're really serious about not only saving money, but also making money with this opportunity, making money with this great club, you can go onebucksystem.info, and go ahead and go through the process that you see there. You'll just fill in your name, your info, quick little information, quick little registration, sign up. You'll be given an actual system that'll allow you to promote the whole club. And that system is even going to come with your own personal business phone number that has your own personal virtual assistant. Everything's set up for you, folks. Everything's set up. Just want to go through and you see it's great, awesome travel destinations here in the States and abroad, with a wonderful opportunity that allows you to make money as well. So the question is often asked, which one do you like most? Would you rather save money or would you rather make money? Well, of course, most people want to do both, right? Want to do both. So you might as well just go to onebucksystem.info, go through the simple sign-up process, and you'll have it all right there. You'll have it all, folks. You'll get paid weekly. Fast start bonuses going on if you get in now. You can come to this page and see the compensation plans. And like I just said, getting paid out weekly, so no problem there. And that's it, folks. That's it. For your choices. You can go to the save.onebucksystem.info. Go ahead and join at join.onebucksystem.info. Or you can just go ahead and get your full system set up where you can have the best of both worlds, including your own virtual assistant and your own business number at onebucksystem.info. And if you need more info, you can go ahead and give us a call at 202-788-0381. Once again, this is William Rogers. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.